Hello again. This is great. You're moving right through the course, which is wonderful. I can tell you're doing really well. Well, what I want to introduce you to right now is what is called the ARC, Academic Resource Collection. Now that's something that's going to help you out because previously in other versions of this course I had something called course resources. Things I think are incredibly valuable and useful, but my goodness, it made the page go this long and students would go, what am I supposed to do with that? Well, the great thing is those were all resources I found that I think are going to help you be successful. And they're meant to be truly that, resources. I'm not asking you to go through each and every aspect of it, but there's going to come a time where you're going to need to do that, and now you know where to go. Let's save you some time. Let's be respectful of the fact that you're an adult learner balancing life and work and family and all these things. What we did is we created what's called the Academic Resource Collection, the ARC. And in that, the same things that used to be in a course resources section are now there. This is a great thing. There's also peer contributions. So let's say you've come up with a phenomenal resource on time management or learning Microsoft Word or fill in the blank as you move through your journey. You can add that as well. You can rate this. So there's going to be a quick video in here also from our Chief Operations Officer explaining it just a little bit more in detail. But there is something called the ARC. It's a repository for information that used to be in a few different places, but these are really successfully vetted by your instructors or your peers that will help you for a particular class. So what you would do is you would search by the class. So this class's name is called EXT097. In the search bar, if you look at EXT097, you're going to find the resources that I think are going to help you be successful in your journey. Things with writing tutors, time management, Microsoft Word, Google Drive, all these great little resources. Like I say, you may not need them right now, but there might be a time where you say, I remember Diane talked about there's a PowerPoint tutorial and I need to add audio to my PowerPoint. Sure, I could search on the internet, but how do I know if I can trust that source? You have the ARC. The ARC is going to guide you by typing in the course, EXT097, ENG 124, that's our English course, a humanities class, HUM 110. Whatever your course number is, you can type that in and it will find the resources that we've compiled or your classmates have compiled that have to do with that. It's directly in your course. It's in the left-hand navigation. All you have to do is go to the ARC, find some resources that we think are incredibly useful for you and will help you in this journey. Thank you.